So you get that progression. Deep red for rare.
Pinkish tan for medium. Is that a new compound forming? You mentioned hemichrome.
Yeah, as it denatures, different compounds like hemichrome can form, contributing to those cooked colors, and then eventually that brown-gray for well done.
But hang on. Can we really trust the color to tell us if it's cooked safely? I've heard stories.
That's a really important point. Color can be deceptive. You can have premature browning, especially with ground beef.
Where it looks brown but isn't actually cooked to a safe temperature inside.
Exactly. And the opposite, persistent pink, where it might still look pinkish even though it is cooked enough and perfectly safe.
So the color isn't the final word.
Definitely not. The only reliable way to know for sure is a meat thermometer. Always use one.
Good advice. So let's go back to that browning, the metmyoglobin. If it turning brown doesn't automatically mean it's spoiled, how do we tell if meat is actually bad?
Right. So many people probably toss out good meat just because it browned a bit.
I might have done that once or twice.
We probably all have. But
Yep,
that
yep.
browning, the metmyoglobin, that's mostly just an aesthetic thing, a normal chemical change, oxidation.
Okay.
Real spoilage signs are different. You're looking for an off odor, like sour or just bad.
Right, the sniff test.
The sniff test is key. Also, a sticky or tacky feel to the surface, or if it looks slimy, those are the red flags.
Smell, touch, slime. Got it. Knowing that difference really could help cut down on food waste.
Absolutely. It empowers you to know when something is still perfectly fine, just maybe not peak cherry red anymore.
So how do the pros, like butchers and supermarkets, manage this? They need the meat to look appealing for longer.
They have a few tricks, mostly centered around temperature and packaging. Temperature control is huge.
How big a difference does it make?
Well, there's something called the Q10 value. For myoglobin oxidation, the Q10 is about 5. That means for every 10 degrees Celsius increase in temperature,
Yeah.
the rate of that browning reaction roughly quintuples, speeds up 5 times.
5 times faster just for a 10-degree C rise. Okay, so keeping it cold is critical.
Absolutely critical. And then there's packaging. Vacuum sealing keeps oxygen super low, giving you that purple deoxymyoglobin.
Which then blooms red when you open it.
Right. Or they use modified atmosphere packaging, MAP, where they carefully control the gas mix inside the package, maybe high oxygen for red, or sometimes other gases like carbon dioxide or nitrogen to inhibit spoilage and manage that color chemistry.
It's some serious science just to keep our steaks looking good.
It really is.
Okay, so we've really pulled back the curtain today. Myoglobin, the iron, the oxygen dance, denaturation, it explains